Honestly, I love being a fool, 'cause I need to.
Sometimes the best way to get around a place is on foot, or in my case, it's on longboard. Right now we're looking for moon bays where, according to Sir Noel, there's a good spot that we can fly FPV.
I just wanted to make a tune that you and me could fall in love to that. I would hope that you and me would like to throw around the tailbone, but in between.
Well, I think I found a spot, so it's already dark, so I'm just gonna head back to the hotel and maybe I'll check out that spot again tomorrow. But it looks like a nice spot, especially if there's no people. Right now it's the evening, so it's perfect for, you know, picnic goers and those who are here for a holiday, here on leisure. So it's definitely a place for the tourists.
When she tells me we always be a fool, can I be one too?
Okay, so unfortunately, I've been flagged down for riding my longboard. So as it turns out, it's not electric longboards or skateboards, or even the non-electric versions aren't allowed here in SBMA. And the officer, the security officer, was kind enough to explain that they weren't allowed yet. Who knows, maybe in the future they will be more progressive, but yeah, their longboards aren't allowed on public on these roads here in SBMA. So you just have to find a private road or something, place where there aren't any cars. Morning everyone. So I'm just walking across the street from the hotel and here to this little park across the street, and yesterday we were able to fly along the coast, along the boardwalk, and today it's a warm day. We're just going to be checking out this park, see if we can get a few packs in.
So I'm starting to pack up. There's a little bit of rain drizzling, and people have started appearing here in the park, especially kids. So I think now is a good time to pack up and go back to the hotel. As well as we are going back to the GFA in a little bit, so don't want to be late for that. It's still early, so I still have time for maybe a little bit of breakfast and lounging around. But yeah, I'm done with this park for today. So let's go.
I don't want you to see me like that. If this was a movie, I guess we'd reenact. See when my car door, it's open and like that. All the beer cans I've been drinking fall out. And at least this is something I am not stuck. Only with a thumbprint, but my girl says it's a nice setup. At least this is something I am not stuck. I got you dancing, yeah. My girl says it's a nice setup. I guess I'm okay with you seeing me like that. I have to act stupid, cause you're greedy with your laugh. Sometimes I feel like you're staring at a map, missing out on the birds and the nature and shit. Ain't that something? Yeah, don't get stuck. Only with a thumbprint, and my girl says it's a nice setup. At least this is something, yeah. I'm not stuck. I got you dancing. My girl says it's a nice setup.
So it's the end of another day here. It's the end of our Subic trip, and we're done with DFA. We've done some flying, and we've also done a little bit of work on the side. So unfortunately, the person I was going to meet here in SBMA in Subic, and the person who guided me to all of these nice FPV spots isn't available and couldn't meet up with me. But still, thank you. Shout out to Sir Noel Rivera for for telling me where to go and teaching me which spots I can fly in here in SBMA. It's really beautiful, beautiful spot. There's a lighthouse over there. There's a real lighthouse way over there, and there's some passing cargo ships which I was able to chase. A tugboat and a cargo boat. I don't know what it's called. So yeah, it's a beautiful sunset. It's almost 5, and yeah, we're still working a little bit, but yeah, it's the work day is almost over as well, and we're about to get ready to hit the road again and make our way back to Baguio. And the wind's picking up, so it was a little bit tricky. Maybe, flying out was pretty quick, but I found that flying back was I had to fight against the wind, so wasn't really comfortable doing a really long range. I went about 1 kilometer out, and that's it, because I didn't have any lithium ion packs, so I'm not sure if I was going to be able to make it back with with 850 milliamp LiPo battery. But yeah, I started flying back 15 volts, landed around 14.8, so it wasn't that bad, but still didn't want to risk it. Anyway, I hope you found this this vlog entertaining at least. I'm pretty sure it's not educational, so I'm gonna leave you with that. As always, keep building and keep flying. Oh, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I don't know, maybe share this to your friends as well. All right, peace out. Again, keep building and keep playing.